Hey everyone, Hank with Outer Rim Travels here, coming to you from Epic Universe. Let's take a ride on Hiccup's Wing Gliders, a family-friendly coaster with a 40-inch height requirement.
Ready! Getting this monster thing isn't easy. Those wing gliders are almost here.
This ride simulates flying on a wing contraption designed by Hiccup.
There they are. That's Hiccup. And this is the dragon Toothless. Hi, Toothless. Woo!
This coaster hits speeds of about 45 miles an hour over a 3,000-foot track.
Nice! Woo!
It does also feature 2 launches.
Yeah! Oh, I love this part.
Just keep in mind, though it is considered a high-end family coaster, it's a bit more intense than your typical kiddie coaster.
Grapple leg.
Especially this part. Yeah, that was the second launch, and keep in mind, at night, the view is spectacular. It's a completely different experience than riding during the day. I actually love the nighttime ride, so go ahead, plan to ride it twice during your visit to How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berg.
That's a nice one, right? I like it.
If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Listen, we'll be waiting for you.
Please feel free to reach out if you're interested in booking Universal Epic Universe. And remember, I do not charge for my services. Check out outerrimtravels.com.